God is on our side, so there is nothing to fear. I don't know why I'm so nervous. A little bit of liquid courage. Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan to this Jamaican and extended Caribbean and African family. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. Now for today's video, we'll be doing a chit chat type of life update video. And I realized that I haven't done a life update in a long time. Maybe 2 years, or if ever. I can't even remember doing a life update. Usually I do my chit chat videos with doing my makeup. I don't want to do that. I don't want to be distracted. I just wanted to talk to you guys just straight, let you guys in on me. I feel like I don't express myself enough on this channel, so I wanted to do that today. I bought this chair just for videos like these because I feel like I want to do more sit down talking videos. Is that weird? I bought a whole chair because, you know, like, y'all ever watch Wendy Williams and like she got a big old purple chair? I bought this chair just for you guys. Like, that's how dedicated I am. At the end of this video, what I am hoping to achieve is that you guys get to know me a little bit more if you haven't. Let you guys in on my personality and who I am as a person, not just a natural hair YouTuber, not as a wig stylist YouTuber, not as just a clothing haul type girl on YouTube. Like, let you in on me. So first thing I want to talk about is like personal stuff, and then we're gonna talk about business stuff and this channel. Like, I'm cringing on the inside just like letting people in. I'm not very good at letting people in, especially when I get like new friends and stuff like that. I'm not the best at letting people in. I'm really quiet around new people, or people like I'm just getting to know. Like, I don't show too much of myself, and I guess that is a guard based on past friendships and relationships that I've had with people. Like, I keep myself locked away. I wanted to first talk to you guys about confidence and just how I've been feeling. Now, I've been trying to do this fitness journey for, I would think, at least 2 years now, and it's a constant struggle, and I feel like a lot of you guys could relate to that. Like, I think I look fantastic, like, absolutely. I think my body is banging. Like, girl, I have it. I look good. You know what I'm saying? But I do feel like I do feel like I struggle a little bit on the inside with body imagery, and I try to be that person on here to make sure that I am showing a different type of body type. I'm showing that natural body type, that natural body that comes with being in your mid-20s, that natural body type that comes with moving away from puberty girl type body to that womanly body filling out. And that comes with the back tires, that comes with the cellulites, that comes with the fatty thighs, it comes with the hip dips, it comes with a lot of things, and I pride myself on representing that for a lot of people. Like, I want to be that bitch, you know what I'm saying? But right now I feel like what I'm struggling with is fitting of clothes and feeling comfortable in them. And when I say that, it has a lot to do with my gut. Like, I'm gonna just be real with you. I hate my gut. I'm not gonna even cookie cutter it up. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna fix it up. I'm not gonna be all, you know, accept your body as is. Like, I hate my gut. It's the most annoying thing. Like, trying on like a super cute outfit and then just seeing a gut. It's so annoying. You know what I'm saying? And I've been doing this fitness journey where I'm not trying to get abs. Like, I don't care for abs. I just want to not have a gut. And that is hard. That is hard. And then being in a society where you see body enhancement all around you, people going into debt trying to fix something that might not need that much fixing, or could be fixed by going to the gym. But the gym is so hard, and it's so hard to hold on to that confidence. It's really trying. It really is. And if you don't have like a good mental standing, like if you don't collect yourself mentally, because self-confidence is a continuous journey. You might think you're the most confident person in the world, but it is a constant journey of loving yourself as is. Like, it's a constant journey. Like, people struggle with that daily. Some of us struggle with that every other month. I'm gonna still stick to my journey, my fitness journey. Like, I'm still doing it, I'm still going to the gym, but it's so hard. It's so freaking hard. I don't know how you guys do it. For those of you who are like gym junkies, is that what they're called? Gym rats. For those of you who are gym rats, like, kudos to you. But it's so hard. That's where I am mentally. And it's so crazy because I do a lot of these clothing hauls, and I feel so good when I'm doing the clothing hauls. Like, I'm the most confident when I'm doing these clothing hauls, and then other days it's like Another thing that I want to talk to you guys about is this channel. Now, I've been feeling somewhat trapped in content. Like, I feel like I have tried different things on this channel, and I have had some people who tried to come at me sideways for trying different things. Now, when I started YouTube, like, if you look at my earliest videos, I did a bit of everything. So this channel didn't have a one type thing. It wasn't a natural hair channel. It wasn't a wig styling channel. It wasn't a try on haul channel. This channel started out with me doing my makeup and a puff. Then it went from that puff to me doing story time, and then it went from that to wig making. Like, I did a whole lot of stuff because when I created this channel, I wanted to do things that I like to watch on YouTube, and that was all of those things. I like story time, I like chit chat, I like girl chat, I like all type of things. But when I really got into like doing my big chop and trying to figure out my natural hair, I focused a lot on that type of content in the beginning and a lot of wig styling videos, and I still love that. I love discovering new things about my hair or sharing styles with you guys. I love styling wigs. Like, wigs are my go-to, and I ain't leaving it behind, so that will always be something that I like to do. I love trying on clothes, so clothing hauls is a staple here. And then there is a side of me that feels like I need to do something else. I want to do more. I want to do things that I enjoy watching on YouTube. But one of the things that I love watching on YouTube is relationship talks. I love girl chat. I like topics about sex and relationships and depression, love, all type of things, and I want to do that on this channel. You know what I'm saying? I am Caribbean, I am Jamaican, born and raised, and I like to share my culture and that part of myself with you guys on this channel. So you guys saw me do Caribbean music playlist, that dancehall, soca, old school dancehall playlist, and you did have people, I would assume some of them non-Caribbean. There was this one person, and just one person, basically came under that video like she would no longer be here because she's not here for this content. Now, I got a couple questions. First of all, before you even click on a video, you see the title of a video. If you know that shit ain't for you, why you click on that video? That's a question. Why do you click on a video with a title you know does not interest you? Why even bother? Like, I never get that. Like, if you see a content that you don't like, if I don't like something and I see the title of it, I'm scrolling right past it. So it's just a little bit confusing for me when people come with that shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, I don't like this type of content. Like, why are you here, ma'am? Like, I've had people like, oh, is twerking all you have to offer? I myself am more of a ladylike, I'm more of a woman, I ain't doing all that twerking, it's too unbecoming, wop 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 with the F. And I'm like, girl, what do you mean all I have to offer? Like, I literally come on here every single week for the last 3 years showing girls with shorter natural hair, coilier natural hair, awkward stage, all of that, different ways to style their hair, how to rock that shit with confidence. Like, I have done that. I have shown people how to install a wig the easiest way possible. I have shown girls with the different like embracing different type of body types. I've shown girls on here like it's okay to have back fat, belly fat, and all type of fat. I've come on here and talk about my degree. I've come on here and talk about schooling and college. You're gonna tell me the one time I came on here to show my Caribbean culture of whining and dash out and all these things, because it's a part of who I am too. You got a problem with that and then try to insult me about that's all I gotta offer? Like, boo boo, I got 2 degrees, okay? I went to 2 different universities, okay? Like, don't try me, poo. This ain't no one-hit wonder. This ain't no one-trick pony. I can do everything. And that's on period and goodbye. I share patois with you guys, like my language. Like, I share everything. And what I'm going to be introducing on this channel is girl talk. Like, I want to talk about relationships. I want to talk about like men and sizes. No, I'm kidding. Not really. I want to talk about that. I want to talk about different topics, friendships. I want to talk about moving in with a man. I want to talk about long distance relationships. I want to talk about everything. I want to just title that girl talk, and I want to bring that to this channel because it's me. This channel says Chev B, not Chev B the natural hairstylist, not Chev B the wig, whatever. It's everything Chev B I want to bring on this channel, you know what I'm saying? And my word of advice to those who may not be interested in like girl talk and relationship stuff and me just talking raw shit like this, like talking unfiltered, you can see the title of the video and just know it's not for you, and you can come back when I drop another natural hairstyle. Like, it's literally that simple. And it's so weird that people don't see like how easy that is. But as they say, misery love company. So a lot of people are miserable and they want me to be miserable with them, but I ain't doing that. Now, that aside, with the future of this channel, with everything Chev B, I have a business that I am working on, and I've been working on this. What the fuck, where did this fly come from? So I have this business that I've been working on, or idea that I've had for the last 2 years, and I have been dragging my foot because starting a business is so freaking scary, especially as a black woman. And this is a business for black people that is ran by non-black people. So the name of the business is called Cluelessly Natural, and it will be the sale of natural hair products. Not only will it be the sale of natural hair products, it will be a space for you to figure out things about your natural hair, like things that you wish someone would have told you when you went natural, like things that I wish someone would have told me when I went natural, like the type of products to get when you first big chop or when you're transitioning, the type of porosity your hair is. Like, I did not know about porosity till maybe a year and a half ago, and I've been natural for a minute, big chop twice, and I didn't know what porosity was until a year and a half ago. It is an avenue just to help newly naturals, cluelessly naturals, figure out their hair, figure out their crown, figure out what makes their hair tick, figure out what makes their hair work, what is unique to their hair. I'm going to tell you more about it. It's not completed as yet, and I am hoping to launch this in a couple of weeks. And I'm super excited. It will be products that I have used on this channel religiously. It will be products I have not used on this channel, but will work for people with hair different than mine, because I have low porosity hair, so I use a lot of low porosity type products. So it will have products for everybody. This should be your one-stop shop for products and stuff like edge brushes, combs, detangling brushes, head ties, scarves, all type of things. This will be your one-stop shop for you, owned by you. You guys have seen me do Chev B sales. That's my wig sale. That's just wigs. That's just wigs that I sell on here that I've used, are like demonstrated for you guys. Like, I resell it to you guys like at a cheaper price for those of you who might not be able to afford it at the standard prices on the wig sites. So I am going to be expanding that as well to do my own line of wigs. So yeah, like our future is looking bright and we have God on our side, so we have nothing to fear. God is on our side, so there is nothing to fear. And yeah, that is all that I have for you guys for a life update and channel update and business coming. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any ideas on topics that we should do for Girl Talk, let me know down in the comment section down below. If you like life update videos, if you just like chit chat videos, if you want to see more me just talking whatever, just talking on topics, just talking, just doing something. If you have ideas of things you want to see on this channel as well, like we are expanding, okay? We are about to be big. You know what I'm saying? We try to be like Rihanna, you know what I'm saying? Like we try to be big. Like let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Chev. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.